Hello everyone, let me show you another beautiful video. This time we have one of our brides that we worked with a couple of months ago. We're getting right into the first fitting. Here we have Nadia basically sketching out the new pattern for the neckline. The client originally had a very open neck, so she wanted to basically add a little bit of sparkle and cover that centerpiece, and you see her kind of drawing it out to where the plunge will go into. This is the actual bustle that we were going to be doing, and then we also took in the sides of the dress. A very simple, but yet, she wanted to kind of make it a little bit more special. This is the pattern, the original pattern, and then the new recut. We make everything by hand only because this needs to be fit for a second time before it's fully sewn on. As I also said, we're going to be taking it in, shortening the sleeves, as well as adding a bustle to it. Very simple again, but elegant dress. Here are your final results. This is the take-in. I think the dress fits her great. She has a great, very great body. You'll see the bustle already made, and then you'll see the center front, all beaded fabric added on.